Hi guys, it's me, Debrix, and I'm gonna be doing Call Chris voices. So, yeah. First, Riley. Okay. Can I have some Dino Nuggies? Okay, Katrina. Riley, pass me the vodka. Yeah. Now, Carol. Hi, I'm Carol. My sister's just sitting in the background. Okay, who's next? Ozzy Bartender. Welcome to the bar, mates. What can I get ya? I found out I can do this last night, so kind of rusty. Okay, who's next? Okay. So I did Riley, Katrina, Carol, Ozzy Bartender. I think I can do like one more maybe. I think I might be able to do Buddy in Texas. I'm gonna do Texas. Okay. Okay, I probably can't do that, so yeah. Go watch Comic Chris's videos to see what I'm talking about.